We've got a coastal carpet python living at our place. It's been sunning itself up on the roof, and now it's headed for the vacant possum box. So it wasn't a big surprise when we saw it again, digesting its meal in amongst our galangal patch. It's going to take about 7 days to digest its meal. And it won't need to eat again for another couple of weeks. Not to say they couldn't give you a nasty bite if cornered or threatened, but actually, while they're digesting, they're quite vulnerable. Who's in there? Well, my best guess is that it could be one of our back neighbours' chickens, as their coop is just over the fence behind where the snake is digesting. Or, for more native fare, a large possum or a very large male bandicoot. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.